Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you so beautiful and so easy only 2-row repeats a triangle shawl. You can use this pattern also blankets, also your cardigans, blouses. It's so simple and so useful. You love it. I love that. I hope you love it too. It's so simple. Again, I told you, I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple shawl. Let's start to crochet. We start our shawl from the center after it's growing like triangle. Okay, it's so simple. I use cotton yarns. One is ecru, one is colorful. You can choose like opposite. You can make the main part with colorful, and you can make this second row with ecru yarn. Okay, you can choose which you want. First of all, make a slip knot. I use 4mm hook. Okay, also you can use angora yarns with that pattern. It comes so beautiful. First of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. Turn back and insert your hook from the first stitch. Grab your yarn and join with a slip stitch. Then 1, 2, 3 chains and count as the first double crochet. Yarn over and insert into the little hole, little circle like that. I want to hide this tail too, and make here 2 more double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert here, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 2 and make 3 more double crochet. We will make 4 group with 3 double crochet. 2, 3, chain 2, make 3 more, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and make last 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now lose that loop. Okay, and take your colorful yarn or your second color which you want. Again, make a slip knot. Then we have 4 groups. Leave the first group and come to the second 3 double crochet group and insert my hook from the first and the second double crochets between of them like that. Grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Then insert into the second and the third middle of these 2. Grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, because I get the other group. I will come to the other group and make my picot here. Insert my hook between of the first and the seconds here. Join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Then insert my hook between of middle of that the second and the third here and join with a single crochet. Leave the first group and the last group always. Lose this tail again. Then insert my hook, my first color loop like that, and turn my work. Take these loops to the back side. We increase our shawl from beginning, middle and the last point. Make 1 slip stitch. This is 2 slip stitches and the 3. Come to the first chain 2 space. Always leave that 3 group here, so it's like the border here. 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over and make here 2 more double crochet. 1 and 2. Now I want to increase my shawl. Chain 2, yarn over and insert into the same first chain 2 space and make here 3 double crochet more. So I increase my shawl from the beginning part. Chain 2, skip this picot part and come to this chain 2 space and here chain 4. Okay, this is my middle point of the center point of the shawl, so I will increase my shawl. The second is here. Yarn over and insert this space. Grab my yarn, both of these 2 chains, make 3 double, chain 2 and make 3 more double in the same space. And make my increases in the center. Chain 2, again skip this picot part, come to last chain 2 space, yarn over and insert here. Do the same thing which we did on the beginning, so I will make here 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. So I make the last increases. 1, 2 and 3. Lose my loop again. From the beginning, on the center and the finishing part. Now I will insert my hook, leave this first 3 double crochet group and come to always second. Okay, we leave here, so it's like a border from the beginning. Skip here, insert into the second groups, middle of the first and the second stitch here, and take this second yarns loop. Here, like that. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert into the second and the third between of them and join with a, also you can make here 4 chains because it's starting point. Insert into the between of second and the third here, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip here, come to next 3 group, insert your hook between first and the second, grab my yarn, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Insert into the second and the third, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip here, come to next 3 double crochet group. Insert into the between of the first and the second. 1, 2, 3. Insert into the second and the third between of them. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip here, come to next 3 double crochet group between of the first and the second, join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Insert into the between of that second and the third, join with a single crochet and lose my loop because I leave that 3 double crochet from the beginning and the finishing. Now I take my first color, turn my work, take this loop to the back side and make here 3 slip stitch. Always we will do the same thing after this row. Come to the chain 2 space and increase my shawl. Chain 3, count as the first double, then make 2 more. Come to chain 2 space with slip knots, chain 3, count as the first double crochet, then make here 2 more double crochet, chain 2 and make 3 more double crochet. Make the first corner. Don't forget you will increase your shawl from the beginning center and the finishing point. Take these loops to the back side. Chain 2, come to, skip that picot, come to chain 2 space and make here 3 double crochet like granny. Chain 2 and come to center, this is the corner, and make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and make 3 more double crochet. I made my second increases from the center. Chain 2, skip that picot and come to chain 2 space. Always work with chain 2 space with my first color. Chain 2 and come to the last chain 2 space and make my last increases. So 3 double, chain 2 and make 3 double. After that row, always we will do the same thing with that 2 rows. Now I look at here and leave my first 3 double crochet group here, insert my hook second groups between of that first and the second stitch and take my second yarn's loop. Take it here, join with a single crochet, then 1, 2, 3. Insert my hook between of the second and the third here. Join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to next group, insert here. Join with a single crochet, chain 3 this time and insert into the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to next group, insert here. 1, 2, 3. Insert into the second and the third between of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to next group, insert my hook here. Join with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Insert my hook between of the second and the third. Join with a single. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to next group. 1, 2, 3. Insert into the next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to next group. 1, 2, 3. Insert into the second and the third group and lose my loop. Don't forget, leave the first and the last group. I insert my hook from my first yarn and turn my work. Take these loops to the back side and make 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Make the first corner 3 double, make first 3 chain, then make 2 more double and count as my first 3 double crochet. Then chain 2 and make here 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, skip this picot and always work with, if you will make 3 double crochet, you will use only chain 2 spaces. Okay, insert here and like granny, make 3 double here. Chain 2, come to next chain 2 space and make 3 double. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2, come to the center and make my increases and make a corner 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Chain 2, come to next, chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, come to next space, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and come to last chain 2 space and make a corner here, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and make 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Lose your loop, and where will you take your second color? Skip that first group, insert your hook from the first and the second stitch between of that, and take your second yarn's loop here, like that. Join with single crochet, then 1, 2, 3, insert into the next space, join with a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, come to next group, insert here, join with a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, come to here and insert here, join with a single. When you come to the next group, you will come here with 4 chains. When you make a picot with the between of the first and the second and the third, you will use 3 chains. Don't forget, always skip the first and the last group. Don't work with picots on them, and always make your increases on the corner with first color. I hope you like this tutorial. It's so simple. I finished my shawl with the second rows repeating. If you want to make border, you can make the big picots on that. I think it will be good. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.